What's up, guys and gals? Welcome back to Toyota of Easley on this beautiful Saturday. It feels like fall because it is fall. At Toyota of Easley, we have a very, very special treat for you today. A very rare vehicle that all of you know, all of you love. You probably grew up in one, right? A lot of you are still probably driving one. A beautiful Land Cruiser here beside me. This is a 2000 model, and we have redone this bad boy to make it a beautiful vehicle. I mean, honestly, it looks just like it did back in 2000. This vehicle has 272,000 miles on it, which, as you Land Cruiser owners know, that is nothing. I love the maroon color. I mean, it just feels like the early 2000s, right? Feels like you're getting picked up from soccer practice. Everyone's jealous of your Land Cruiser. It even smells like the early 2000s, in a good way, of course. Jay, come look at the inside. So this is a one owner. It's been here in the upstate its whole life. And we really didn't have to do much to it. Of course, we did a full detail. That's kind of what we do here. But it's got the original leather. Jay, I mean, look at even the steering wheel. Look at the headliner. It's got the sunroof. I mean, even the power seats still work. I mean, this thing is a beaut. So everyone's going to ask me, Tucker, what did you guys do to it? No, Jay, let me show you. All right, so we did, obviously, wheels and tires, as you can tell. With our Northbuilt brand, we are a Method wheel dealer, so of course we put Method wheels on there. We went with the Toyo Open Country AT3s. To me, that's my favorite tire. I love the ride on it. That's what I have on my truck. It also lasts for a long time. I think on my last pair of Toyos, I went 60,000 miles on it on my truck. So this is a lighter vehicle, so you might even get more, depending on how you drive, of course. Jay, let me show you the most impressive thing we did to it, though. We did the Old Man Emu suspension kit. This is a 2.5-inch lift kit on this, which is how we got these tires on there. Let's see if you can get the Old Man Emu. Of course, it's an iconic brand that's been with Toyota for a long time. Old Man Emu drives amazing on-road, but also has great off-road performance as well. So this Land Cruiser drives just as well as it did when it was brand new 25 years ago. It's a beautiful vehicle. The price point's amazing as well. We are selling this car for $18,323, okay? $18,323, this could be yours. Again, a 2000 model Land Cruiser in maroon. This bad boy is gonna feel as great on the road as it does off the road. You gotta come see it, you gotta come drive it. We're open all day here at Toyota of Easley. Come see us soon.